Hello students, today again we are going to learn how to draw step by step. So let's start our class. At first we have to draw a circle shape like this. So first we have to draw a circle shape like this. Now the upside here we have to draw two more small circles like this. Now in the middle here we have to draw the letter V like this. Now we will join this two lines with a straight line like this. After like this. Now after finishing this, the side here, the both side we have to draw two straight line like this from this side like this. Now we are going to draw a wavy line to join this line to here like this. Okay. Now in the lower part for the legs here we have to draw two straight line, and here you can use a zigzag line to draw the feet. Here again two straight line and zigzag line like this. Now for the wings, here you can use more wavy lines to give some detail like this. Here also you can use some wavy lines. Yeah. So here is our little bird. Now we can draw the ground using a curvy line like this. So here's our drawing. We can color it now. Here for the coloring work I am using yellow to color the whole bird. But no need to color the eyes and the beak. We will color the body, the bird with yellow. Now we can color the eyes. Here I am using black, and for the beak here I am using orange. Now for the legs here I am using brown. So now we have finished the bird. Now we can color the ground. Here I am using light green color. After finishing the ground, now I am going to color the whole sky with light blue. So here you have to use the blue color lightly. Now we have finished our sky also. So here is our little bird. So it will look very nice. So do practice and show me in our next class. Thank you.